Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a production pace timer display, and this is two timers with a counter. And the first timer is the amount of time that the machine needs to do its thing. The second timer is the amount of time that the operator needs to interact with whatever the part or functionality of the machine, the finished product, and the operator needs to do their thing. And these two times combined will accommodate the amount of time that is needed to finish doing the work on the new part. If they go over that time, it will increment one here down here in the counter. I have a 40 millimeter red palm switch to simulate the machine action, and then over to the left here you see this wireless keypad which the line manager will be using to set the timers for the day's production and then also reset them. So this is a 900 megahertz wireless data connection, and it's good to 300 feet inside, indoors, and 1500 feet outdoor. This requires a 120 outlet to run to operate, and so does the display. It's a 3-prong plug, 6-foot cord. To operate it, we're going to go ahead and set the time, but I'm going to show you that the customer has requested that we put a lock, unlock, or switch that has a key lock on it to turn off and on the radio so that the line manager can program it and then use the same radio to program the next one, and on and on and on. So right now we have it on, and there's an LED indicating that it's ready to receive data. I'm going to go ahead and program it. Let's say the machine takes 20 seconds to finish the part, and the operator takes 10 seconds to do what they need to do. Within that time period, we should have a finished part, and the operator should be able to start the machine again and do another part without going over. If they do go over, then it's going to indicate that here with the counter, and we're going to get a beep or a buzzer. So we're going to go ahead and set those times. So the keypad has a number display, as you can see, or number keypad. Enter, 0, part, program time, part, unload, load time, buzzer time, clear time, and count reset. Clear times if you put the wrong number in to when you're programming it. So I'm going to go ahead and program the part program time. So I'm going to push part program time. It's going to flash. It's ready. We're going to put in 20. No, I want 25. So you're going to push clear, 25. No, I want 20. Clear, 20. Or you can just do 25, and as you can see it comes over, but you're going to have 20 minutes and 25 seconds. If you push 20 again, you're going to have it's cleared it and put up 20. So either way you can do that. The simplest way is just do clear time. Go ahead and enter that, and then the part unload time, we're going to say it's 10 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and push part unload time button to indicate that you're going to be setting that timer. So we're going to put in 10 seconds. Enter. Now, you want to give an indication to the operator that he's gone over without them having to watch the display. So we have a buzzer timer. As you can see, we have B here, and this gives you 9 minutes and 59 seconds to set the buzzer. We're going to set it for 2 seconds. That's probably long enough. If you need longer, that can obviously go to 9:59. So we're going to go ahead and enter that. Up, done. Okay, so we're all done now with that. We're going to go ahead and simulate the machine and also the operator doing his thing. So machine starts. It's doing, I think it's a vacuum form machine. So it comes down over the plastic and it informs it to the shape that it needs to do. And then it does that within 20 seconds. And then the operator is going to pull it out of the machine. He's got 10 seconds to do what he needs to do, and then put another piece in. So he's pulled the form out, puts it in the CNC machine, and that thing starts to router it, puts in another one, hits the start button. The day goes great, okay? If there is of any time where it gets any complications or anything like that, then the operator is going to go over the 10 seconds, and then we're going to get a indication of that with the counter. So the machine either fouls up or the operator has some kind of complication. So it's taking more than 30 seconds to do what we need to do. You hear the 2-second beep, and then you get the count, and then we're ready for another cycle. So the line manager is going to go ahead and use this for all their timers that they have on each production spot. So we're going to go ahead and turn off the receiver inside the unit, inside the timer, and you're going to see that this is now dark, and it's going to pull the key out and go do the next timer. It's going to go and program the next timer. These are 2.3-inch high digits. You can see them up to 120 feet away. All extruded aluminum enclosure. It's an acrylic Lexan front, and you hang it by these two tabs in the back that can be adjusted to the width that you need. Wiring, we have the pigtails coming out, but you can bring in your own wiring here. This is a 1/2-inch knockout for 1/2-inch conduit, and then there's terminal blocks inside that you can connect to. Right now we currently just have a pigtail, and that is about as brief as I can be. The machine pace timer. This is Jim with DC Digital, and this is a machine pace timer production display. Thanks for watching.